3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you're experiencing low call volume on your iPhone, there are several steps you can take to improve it. First, during a call, manually press the volume up button to increase the call volume as it operates independently of general audio settings. Switching to speaker mode can also help determine if the issue lies with the volume settings or the device speaker itself. If the problem persists, try restarting your iPhone. For models from iPhone 8 onwards, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For older models, refer to Apple's support guide. Accumulated dirt or dust in your device's earpiece may also obstruct sound. Use a cleaning kit designed for iPhone earpieces or a clean, dry toothbrush to carefully remove debris. Additionally, check if your audio is routed to another device, such as a Bluetooth speaker or call system. To fix this, go to Settings, select Accessibility, then Touch, and set Call Audio Routing to Automatic. If none of these solutions work, the issue might be hardware, often caused by physical damage. Contact Apple support for a professional diagnosis. And if your device is under warranty, repairs may be covered at no cost.